Whoa, what a hot dog dance. Ben, go dance with the girl.
Yeah, go run. Ben, run as fast as you can. Run, 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 run.
Whoa. Whoa. Everyone's running. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Whoa.
Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Show me how fast.
Go, Ben, go.
Hi. Hi, buddy.
Laney, you're crazy.
See, he'll look at me and he'll say, hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. It's all about Matt.
On her chin, does she?
Ben.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Hi, buddy. Are you having fun?
No?
You're crawling fast. Everybody crawl real fast.
Get fast with everyone.
Crawl fast. Ben, crawl.
Simon says crawl.
Crawl. Laney, do you remember how to crawl? Go, Ben, go. Oh, you're laying flat.
Hey, do you need a drink?
Whoa.
Let's get a drink.
Ben is about 2 almost. Jude is 2 and a little over 2, and Laney's 2.5.
For a week if I landed like that.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to keep a journal of all the money, all my goodbyes.
Whoa.
Jump on your butt.
Land on your butt. Whoa.
Good job. Woohoo.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, you're going up. Ready? Woohoo.
Neck, Juju. Is there a lizard on your neck?
That's Mama.
Hey, Jude, where'd that lizard go?
He's tickling you.
Going down your shirt.
Uh-oh.
Okay, Mason. You want to hold him? You want to try and hold him? Just hold your hand out. He's very nice. Don't squeeze him, okay?
No, show your mom.